Imagine, just for a moment, a universe unlike our own. A reality where alien cities glow with artificial lights. Where structures not built by human hands stretch into unfamiliar skies, casting shadows under twin moons or orbiting stars we can only dream of. What if, instead of stars twinkling above, the night sky was filled with glowing orbs from distant civilizations? Cities from beyond our galaxy shining through the void? This may sound like science fiction, but recent developments have brought this imaginative scene dangerously close to reality. Thanks to the revolutionary capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity has taken a massive leap forward in its quest to answer the greatest question ever asked. Are we alone in the universe? And as this grand observatory turned its gaze toward Proxima Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor at just over 4 light-years away, what it found could change the course of history. Orbiting this relatively small, cool red dwarf star is a planet called Proxima B. It's not a new discovery, it's been on our radar for years. Roughly the same size as Earth and located in the so-called habitable zone where liquid water could exist, Proxima B has always been a tantalizing candidate in our search for extraterrestrial life. But now, there's something far more shocking. Astronomers, using advanced light detection techniques, have observed unusual light patterns, distinct from natural planetary reflections. These lights do not align with what one would expect from reflected starlight or geological activity. The most compelling theory? They could be artificial in origin. These signals may represent the glow of alien megacities, infrastructure similar to our own, possibly more advanced. If this is true, it would mark the first direct indication of an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization. A civilization capable of manipulating energy, creating massive sources of illumination, and possibly even aware of our existence. These aren't random energy bursts. These are lights on a planet, behaving in a way that mirrors human-made structures. Cities that glow when the planet rotates into darkness. What does that mean for us? It means that for the first time in human history, we may have found a sign that we're not alone. But this discovery brings more than just awe. It brings responsibility, fear, curiosity, and a deep philosophical re-evaluation of everything we've believed for centuries. If we are indeed witnessing the lights of an alien civilization, it changes not only our scientific understanding but also our cultural and existential self-image. Until now, Earth was the only known cradle of life. The center of our own little universe. Religions, philosophies, and entire civilizations have grown from that core assumption. But now, we may be forced to accept that we are not the pinnacle of creation, but rather one story among billions in a cosmic library we've only just begun to explore. And so, we must ask, who are they? Are they peaceful explorers like ourselves? Guardians of knowledge? Survivors of ancient wars? Or are they simply beings whose existence has nothing to do with us, just as ants might live unaware of the astronomers peering into telescopes? These questions pull us into new territory, not just scientific but emotional and ethical. Because if intelligent life exists out there, how should we respond? Should we make contact? Should we stay silent and observe? Should we prepare for diplomacy or defense? This moment mirrors the great discoveries of history. When explorers sailed to unknown continents, they believed they were the first to arrive, only to discover entire civilizations had been there for centuries. We may now be at the cosmic equivalent of Columbus reaching the New World, except this time, we are not the explorers with ships. We're the ones peering out from the shoreline, watching lights glimmering on the distant horizon. And all of this comes at a time when our tools for discovery have never been more powerful. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a telescope, it's a time machine. It can peer back into the early universe, to the birth of stars and galaxies, capturing faint signals from billions of years ago. It doesn't just show us distant light, it dissects it, analyzing the components of exoplanet atmospheres to detect signs of life. Through infrared spectroscopy, Webb can pick up markers such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and even industrial pollutants, potential indicators of biological or artificial activity. And it was this exact technology that detected the strange lighting patterns on Proxima B. But Proxima B is just the beginning. Dozens, maybe hundreds, of Earth-like exoplanets lie waiting to be examined. Some may be barren rocks. Others might have vast oceans, dense clouds, or even intelligent life living beneath the surface. This is a paradigm shift in our quest for cosmic knowledge. For years, we searched for biosignatures, evidence of basic life. But now, we may be looking at technosignatures, evidence of advanced, intelligent beings capable of shaping their environments like we do. Let that sink in. We are now capable of detecting not just the signs of life, but the signs of civilization. And yet, the more we learn, the more mysterious the universe becomes. The James Webb Telescope has revealed distant galaxies that appear older than the universe itself should allow. Its data has questioned our understanding of the expansion rate of the cosmos, the role of dark matter, and even the structure of time itself. The more we observe, the more our established models begin to crack. We may be standing at the edge of a scientific renaissance, where not only our understanding of space changes, but also our place within it. This new era challenges the anthropocentric worldview, the idea that humans are central to all existence. With the possibility of other civilizations existing, perhaps even thriving, in other solar systems, we must acknowledge that we might not be exceptional. We might be typical. And in that realization lies something powerful, not insignificance but connection. Connection to a greater whole. A cosmic family we have yet to meet. But how will humanity respond? Historically, the unknown has often bred fear. Nations might race to be the first to establish contact, to claim space territories, or to weaponize space technologies. Corporations may see dollar signs instead of stars. It could lead to conflict, competition, or even misinformation. Alternatively, it could bring about a golden age of unity. The discovery of intelligent life could lead to global collaboration, a common purpose that transcends borders, ideologies, and languages. We might begin to see ourselves not as separate nations, but as one civilization under a single sky. It could also usher in a spiritual transformation. Religions might evolve. Philosophies could be reshaped. Our very concept of what it means to be human could expand to include what it means to be sentient, to be aware, to share the universe with others. And through all this, the James Webb Space Telescope continues its mission. As it looks deeper into space, it also peers deeper into time. It captures galaxies forming only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It observes stars dying and being reborn, gas clouds stretching across the void, and exoplanets cloaked in strange, alien weather. Every image, every data stream, adds a piece to the puzzle of our existence. We're learning that the universe isn't static or sterile. It's alive, dynamic, and possibly filled with voices we have not yet heard. With every passing year, our tools will become more precise. Future missions, like the proposed LUVOIR or HABEX telescopes, may one day produce direct images of alien landscapes, cities, or spacecraft. We may soon reach the point where science fiction becomes science fact. And with that comes the ultimate question: if we discover them, what comes next? Will they welcome us? Ignore us? Challenge us? Will they look like us, think like us, feel like us? Or will their perception of life, time, and reality be so different that we may never fully understand one another? Whatever the answer, it's a question worth asking. Because this moment, right now, may be the dawn of something humanity has never experienced. A cosmic awakening. The lights of Proxima B may only be the beginning. Behind them may lie entire civilizations, ancient histories, languages, and knowledge that could change us forever. And all of it is out there, waiting for us to reach further, to ask better questions, to imagine more boldly. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding others. It's about understanding ourselves. It's about facing the mirror of the universe and realizing we're part of something far greater, far older, and far more beautiful than we ever imagined. We are stardust, yes. But we are also storytellers, dreamers, and explorers. And in the vast silence of space, we are finally beginning to hear an echo. An echo that says, "You are not alone. Let us know in the comments what you think this discovery means for humanity. Do you believe we'll one day make contact with intelligent life? And how should we respond? If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Discovery 2.0, where we continue exploring the wonders of space, science, and the unknown. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, and your mind open to the impossible.